Okay, I'm doing another video. February the 3rd. We're doing a patio extension for well, it's really a walkway for the client. We did the previous. We did the sidewalk over there. Right here is a sidewalk plus a little walkway to her fire pit. My husband, Beto, and the new person is William.
Ahí está perfecto, mi Beto. Ahí está. Ahí está. Ahí está, quitos.
This is pre-prep. We're prepping it right now, making sure so when the truck comes, which is at 9 o'clock, we'll be ready for them to. Ready for them. This is what they do. Sanchez Quality Concrete. If y'all know anybody that need any work, let us know. 912-227-6203. My name is Elisa. And then the other number is 813-400-8044. My husband's name is Alfredo. He's in Spanish. You could call him in Spanish. Talk to him in Spanish, sorry. So we already prepped this right here.
O no me, lo que no quieres es pagarle. Sí, cuando uno no deja trabajar a la gente, no, pues es que no le quiero pagar, yo le voy a decir que no son nada. Ya te caché, Beto. Sí. Lo que tú quieres, no pagarle a tu gente.
This right here,
Sí, pagarle, sí,
and now they're getting the middle piece done.
Pero primero el trabajo. Sí, ¿no? Ok. Si quieres, sí, señor. Y Beto, a ver si puedes ganar. Te dije. Hay que mover esta vez para que pueda salir Beto. Dale, Beto, ok. Mueva ese para que salga.
Put your back into it, Beto. You got it.
You guys talk.
Put that back into it.
Beto. I got Mando, and I got right here, Beto.
Mm-hmm. It's a little nice project. We got another pour next Saturday, which is a bigger pour than this one. It's a driveway, and we raising up a garage to make it. I think they say they're gonna make it out as a studio. So. I'm gonna go a little further inward so y'all can see what they are doing now.
Don't like it get to the
Yeah. I'm not doing that. Yes. Okay, I'm getting ready to cut this short right now, and then whenever we come back to do the extra pour,